SEMA 2017 in the Sherwin-Williams booth. I'm Jason Bear. I'm owner of Bear Customs out of Fort Wayne, Indiana. I'd like to show you guys this beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. We're calling it the Raging Bird.
Hi, I'm Jason Manns with Manns Restoration. We're a fourth generation family business in Festus, Missouri. We have a full service restoration shop, and we brought a 1960 Impala here to SEMA in 2017.
Throw this crazy Sherwin-Williams paint job on it. We actually did a kind of a gravel guard lino lining on the underside that Sherwin uses. We actually tinted the color to match the paint on the top side. The paint was kind of the focal point of the car. We wanted to do a purple, but we weren't really sure where we wanted to go. I actually had the Sherwin branch help me take the plum crazy purple, add some extras to it. We actually created a tri-coat for this thing. We're calling it Purple Rage. And you guys can see just in the show, in the different lighting and things like that, it changes on you. In the sun, this color, it just explodes, it really does. And purple just seems to be kind of a popular color right now, and it seems to go with the theme of this car.
But it is exciting times for our company, and for 151 years, we've been committed to being a very innovative supplier and provider of coatings around the world. Through that whole process, we've consistently shared the same values with our employees and our culture of things like integrity and customer service and growth for our shareholders and being innovative.
The complete body was all finished using Sherwin-Williams Automotive Finishes. We used the Ultra 7000 base coat with CC200 clear coat and polished to a nice high gloss. So when the car came in for the full restoration, it was originally painted white. The color was going to be changed, but he didn't know what quite to go with, so he brought in an ink pen that had a red anodized finish on it, and he wanted the car in that kind of color. So we went to Sherwin-Williams Prospector deck and were able to bring out a swatch of colors for him to pick and choose through. And once we finally got a color that he liked, we did several spray outs and ended up with this radiant red pearl base coat. We were very excited to show this car off at Sherwin-Williams booth. We were very proud to use their products and use them throughout our shop exclusively day after day. And this car had never been seen by the public until its unveiling here at SEMA in 2017.